I'm about to show you how to give your OpenClaw superpowers. OpenClaw is incredible, but right now it works like an intern who completely forgets your entire project every time they take a coffee break. If you give it a heavy task that spans multiple steps, it forgets earlier details. As your project gets more complicated, you end up wasting hours tuning OpenClaw memory or burning a massive number of tokens asking the same things again and again. This is due to how OpenClaw currently manages its memory. You're either curating a massive memory MD file or relying on a daily memory generation full of conflicts, duplicates, and will be rotated over time. You no longer have to deal with that. We've built ByteRover, a local stateful memory skill for OpenClaw that actively curates and manages context with over 90% accuracy, the highest on the market. Instead of static, bloated markdown files, ByteRover organizes your context into a dynamic, hierarchical tree structure. It keeps the timeline, facts, and actual meaning of your context perfectly in place. For example, if you use OpenClaw to do daily research to generate ideas and build new product feature, OpenClaw usually loses the thread after a few prompts. But with ByteRover, it remembers every piece of feedback you've ever given it. It actually uses past insights to iterate on new features, turning a series of isolated chats into one continuous evolving workspace. Let me show you. First, let's install ClawHub and the ByteRover skill. Now, you simply give OpenClaw access to your repos. In just a few seconds, it captures the project, what it is about, and which features are already there. Because ByteRover manages this in the background, you don't even have to open your IDE or copy-paste code. Every research iteration, ByteRover automatically detects the latest state of your project, what ideas have been discussed in the past, and what are meaningful enough to explore. Another cool thing is you can scale this up to your whole team. ByteRover also has a cloud version, so you can sync this memory on cloud, share with other members, version control it, and share with any other autonomous agents you use. Your OpenClaw is no longer a forgetful intern. With ByteRover, you get a brilliant 24/7 teammate that executes right alongside you.